Hello traders, this is Al. Welcome back to my another video, Freedom with Forex. Today I want to show you one of my Forex account, which is live account, where I deposited $5,000 and I made profit 10,000. This happened over 2 years period of time. Before I dig into that, I just wanted to show you that this is actually a live account. As you can see, I see market, real account. So as I was saying, I made this profit $10,000 by investing 5 grand, little more than 5 grand, over 2 years period of time. So first initial deposit was 2017 in November 16, as you can see. But there was only $1,000 that I deposited. And then later on I deposited, and the total deposit was 5,600. However, I have withdrawal 6,400. So I have taken my capital out. So the things I want to actually point out is that you can double your account, right? But it took me 2 years to double an account. So that means I have made 50% a year. Now, if you have a $5,000 in your bank account, and let's say you want to invest, right? And there's a couple of investment instrument out there that you can, or vehicle, I should say, that you can invest your money with. The easy one that 90% people they go with, they open a savings account in their local bank and they deposit their money. Currently in Australia, if you deposited $5,000, your savings is less than 1%. You're lucky if you get 1% return. If you invest in the share market, for example, stock market, share market, you probably get 5 to 7%. If you buy government bonds or other financial instrument, you're looking into similar category, similar number. And obviously, you cannot open your own business with a $5,000. You can't open a business with five. You need a lot more than that. However, in Forex market, you can earn 25 to 50% a year without taking much risk. Obviously, there's a lot of trader out there. They can make $5,000 to $100,000 a year. That's well and good. But my point is that I actually look at it as a long-term goal, that I want to make 25%, 50% every single year. Not every month, not every week, a year. If I can turn my $5,000 50% return a year, and if you do compounding 10 years later, you do the math, that is a substantial amount of money you will have in your bank account when you're taking very little risk. The key here is that consistent return over many years. Not in a 1 month I'm getting 3,000% return and next month I blow my account out. What is the point of that? I don't see any point. This is a waste of money, waste of time. So my goal is that to gradually increase my capital, gradually become to make an account that I can, eventually retire early. So with further ado, let's dig in how I actually made $5,600 to $10,000, right? So initially, as I said, I deposited $1,000 here, and then I closed 3 trades in profit, and then I would on two occasions, and then in gold I made a little bit good profit, almost $450. This was back in December 2017, as you can see. And then I bought New Zealand against pound, against franc. I bought New Zealand against CAD, and I lost. As you can see, I lost euro, franc. I sold euro, I bought franc. I lost $176, which was in December 2017. And then I made a bit of money, New Zealand USD. And then bang, this was a big loss. Euro yen in January 2018. $455. That was the biggest loss since opening this account. That is a massive loss, right? And I had withdrawn $400, $300, or $100. I was in still profit. I was on account was probably under a little bit of pressure, but as you can see, this gold that I sold, that was a good profit. And then I lost another two trades. Aussie USD, I sold Aussie back then, and gold I sold again, and then I lost again, and I had to deposit $100, and then I made only $52 with gold. So you can see at the beginning it was very rough from November 2017 all the way till January, March 2018. This is very rough. I lost, I won, I lost, I won, I lost, I won, I lost. And then I come back. I deposit $2,000 and then I come back strongly. See this Aussie USD, I made $639. That was the biggest profit so far. And then Aussie yen, $400. Nice little profit. And then I have withdrawn 1,500, 500, 500. So that means like a $2,500 I have withdrawn. I made another little profit there. And here and there I deposit $500 again. I have withdrawn again. And then I have withdrawn again. So from now on, I think you will see consecutive win. So from 2018 June. So $41 from gold, I sold gold. And then if you go down from gold again, $292, I bought it. And then euro yen, this one, $260, nice little trade from euro yen. I sold euro back then. USD franc wasn't too bad. This was a pretty good trade, these two trade. Euro yen, $322. I bought yen against US dollar, and I bought franc against US dollar. Nice little two trade. And then this was good as well. Gold, bought gold $368. So as you can see, I got a couple of good trade here, and then a couple of hundreds here and there. Nothing major, but still it adds up. As you can see, especially I'm not losing, even though the winning is little small, couple of hundred here and there, but it's adding up. It's building my account. As you can see, yeah. Pound yen, $302. This was 2019, which wasn't long ago. So we are actually coming towards the end of this live trading result that I'm showing you. And I had deposited $1,000 and then another 1,000, and I made a couple of good trade, gold and then pound USD $248, and I have withdrawn 2,000. And then last trade was Aussie CAT, $97, which I bought against CAT. So that was the last trade. This is 2019 in November the 4th. So as you can see, there has been quite a bit of trade. As you can see, there has been quite a bit of trade since the beginning of this account that I started. I only started with $1,000, you saw in the beginning, and then gradually I deposited as the account needed or the market presented the opportunity itself. The end result, as you can see, a little bit, it's not a big amount, $10,000. However, the point I'm trying to make is that you're doubling your account. You're doubling your account. That is the key. If you can do that within 1 or 2 years, if you can double your account, I think that is a pretty good business model. And obviously, I treat my forex trading as a business. This is not a hobby, all right? This is not gambling. Obviously, it's not a gambling, and it's not a luck. It is a calculative approach to the market, calculative risk and reward, and most importantly, money management. And what is really money management? Money management by itself is empty words unless you do understand what is really money management is. There's a lot of topic on the internet about money management, but trust me, there's a very fundamental basics things that we overlook regarding money management. But anyway, that's another video I might make in the future. But as of now, so yeah, don't give up forex trading. Keep trying, don't give up. There's a lot of opportunity in the market, but look at it as a long term. That's what I want to say. Just don't think so short term, think as a long term. What kind of return you're gonna get? This kind of return you can't get from anywhere else. You won't. Simple as that. So think about in terms of return in a 1 year, 2 year, 3 years period of time instead of 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. If you can make 1,000 return, 2 months, 3 months, well, good on you. I wish all the best. But for me, my approach is, as I keep repeating myself, is a long-term approach, building my account. And trust me, if you do the same thing, you will see pretty substantial amount of money in your trading account. So anyway, I want to say thank you again to tuning in, and please subscribe. All right, just subscribe, leave a comment, and I do run a mentorship program, which is a lifetime mentorship. If you're interested, please send an email at freedomwithforex@outlook.com or Skype me at Elite Capital FX. And I have a couple of students who I'm training at the moment. I do one-on-one coaching every week, twice a week, with a live market analysis. This is why you don't see much YouTube video on my channel, because there's a lot of stuff. This is only for, it's not supposed to be in the public, right? There's a lot of stuff that happens, or knowledge that's supposed to be not in the public. And there's a reason, right? You don't want to give away a secret recipe to the public, right? Because this is a secret of your business, and you want to keep it that way. And with any big businesses like Apple or Amazon or Google, they have their secret of the business. They don't just give it away. All right. So same approach. The way I trade, I only show you the result. I'm not actually showing you at the moment how I trade, because that's my secret of my trading. And yeah, if you're interested, feel free, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer your questions. All right, thank you so much again. Have a lovely day. Bye bye for now.